Hi, Debbie Chu here from Chew on Vegan, and welcome back to my kitchen. If you're new here, let me tell you a little bit about myself. I am a plant-based RN. I work full-time, and I love to share whole food plant-based recipes with you. I started the Starch Solution in January of 2020 and was able to lose 15 pounds. If you would like more information on the Starch Solution, I will leave a link in the description box below. So on my channel, you will find quick and easy whole food plant-based recipes that will help you lose weight and get healthy. If that sounds like something you're interested in, please subscribe, and you can also follow me on Instagram and Facebook at Chew on Vegan. I also started a Facebook group if you feel like you need a little bit more support, if you're new at this, or even if you're not and you just want to be in a community of like-minded people and get some recipe ideas and inspiration. I will leave a link to that as well. So let's talk about what we're going to do today. Today I'm going to be making a red pepper sauce. First time I've ever made it. This is a recipe by High Carb Hannah, and I did a couple little hacks to it to make it a little bit easier. But it was definitely inspired by her. She's got some great recipes, and I will leave a link to her channel below as well. I'm also going to be showing you 3 of my go-to meals that I eat absolutely every week. And these are great for helping you lose weight, stay on plan, and get healthy. So let's get started. So we're gonna start with that red pepper sauce. So the recipe called for a roasted red pepper, and I really didn't have time to roast a red pepper, so I'm just gonna be using a jar of roasted red pepper. Now these are oil-free, these are in water, and these are already roasted, super easy, find them in any grocery store. And all this is going to go into our blender here. So I just figured out what looked like about 1 red pepper, so that's going in. Then we're going to put in 2 red jalapenos. You can use green, or if you don't want this hot at all, you could probably leave it out or maybe put a yellow chili in. So those are going in there. The red is milder than the green, that's for sure. My other little hack is I'm using, let me show you here, I'm using this crushed garlic in a jar. I love this stuff. It is so great in your fridge, it stays good for quite a long time. So this recipe calls for 4 cloves of garlic, so that's going to go in there. Then we need a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. And then as far as spices and things, we have 1/8 teaspoon of cumin. I've got a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of nutritional yeast, and 2 tablespoons of hemp seeds. That's going to make it really creamy, those hemp seeds. Great source of omega-3 as well. Then we also need a tablespoon of tomato paste. And if you don't have these little tubes near you, or if you haven't tried them, these are a lifesaver. Instead of opening a can, you only need a tablespoon, then you end up putting it in the refrigerator, and who knows when you're gonna need it again. So this is great. It stays in your fridge for quite some time. And we're just gonna use a tablespoon of that. Perfect. Then we're gonna add about 1/2 cup of water, and then I'm gonna blend this up. So I blended this for about 1.5 minutes. Something I eat every week, multiple times a week, are fries. I made these in my air fryer. I just had some leftover baked potatoes. I sliced them up, seasoned them with smoked paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, and put them in my air fryer 15 minutes at 400. They are so, they're just so good. So we're gonna use our red pepper sauce to dip them in, and our barbecue sauce. If you want something different, you could use ranch. But this is one of my staple meals that I definitely have multiple times during the week. And it really is all about the sauces. If you have 5 or 6 different sauces that you use, you can change up your meals, change up your sauces, and you're not going to get bored. So the second meal, my go-to meal, is a burrito bowl. And we're gonna use that red pepper sauce on this as well. So I use romaine lettuce. I just shred some up, but you could use whatever kind of lettuce you would like. I just happen to really like romaine lettuce. I also like to put some rice in here. You can use white or you could use brown. I've got white left over, so I'm just going to use that. Then I've got beans. Today I'm using black beans. I also like roasted corn. This is just frozen roasted corn I defrosted. And then I like red onion. So I've got some green and red peppers and some chopped tomatoes. And that's basically my burrito bowl. And then we'll just pour on some of this red pepper. This is gonna be good. It's a little bit spicy. Got a very nice flavor. And there you go, meal number 2. Quick, easy, super healthy, low calorie density, all the things you want to be healthy and to lose weight. So my third go-to meal is a quick Asian stir fry. And I like to use Trader Joe's stir fry veggies. This is a combination of pea pods, bean sprouts, bamboo shoots, soybeans, water chestnuts, carrots, and mushrooms. I'm also going to add a little peas because I have to have peas in my stir fry. So we're just going to let this cook for about 5 or 6 minutes till it gets defrosted basically. No oil in the pan. At this point I'm going to add a little coconut aminos. I'm also going to add a little bit of this baked tofu teriyaki. I'm really excited because this is gluten-free. Usually the teriyakis are not gluten-free, so this is great in a pinch. So I'm definitely going to have this in the fridge. It's already cooked, so I'm just going to cut a little bit of this up, put it in the stir fry, and heat it through. So I put in about half that package, and I'm just going to let it heat through. So I just added a side of white rice. I always have some kind of rice in the fridge. Added some sesame seeds. And then I'm going to top it with my Date Lady sweet chili sauce. You can top it with whatever kind of sauce you want, but I'm like freaking addicted to this stuff. And that's it. This is the third meal, stir fry. Comes together in minutes, healthy, low calorie density. Again, just what we need when we're trying to lose weight, trying to get healthy, or just trying to maintain our weight. Thanks so much for staying to the end. I hope you learned some new recipes and a few hacks to make your weight loss health journey easier. And remember, it's all about consistency, not perfection. All the links and or recipes will be in the description box below. And again, please subscribe and give me a big thumbs up and follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Also check out the new Facebook group as well. Until next time, thank you. If that sounds like something you're interested in, please subscribe, and you can, if that sounds like something you're interested in, that looked good, didn't it?